Stop wasting money on AI subscriptions. Most of you told me in my last video that you are tired of running out of credits or getting generation errors when trying to make long videos. Today, I'm showing you a secret 100% free workflow to generate unlimited high-quality AI videos using Google Vids powered by the Elite Veo 3 model. And the best part, we are using Gemini to write the prompts and the dialogues for us. Let's build a masterpiece from scratch. The secret to a viral video isn't just the image, it's the story. We are going to use Gemini as our director. Watch this. See that? Gemini just gave us the visual blueprint and the emotional hook. Copy that prompt. Now head to Google Vids. This is the Google Vids AI workspace, and right now it's the best way to use the Veo 3 engine for free. Unlike other sites that charge per second, you can iterate and generate scenes over and over until it's perfect. Once you are in Google Vids, start by selecting your project's aspect ratio from the initial pop-up. You can choose landscape, portrait, or square depending on where you plan to share your work. In that same menu, ensure you select Veo 3 to power your visuals. From there, simply paste your Gemini prompt into the generation box to describe the action. If you have a specific look in your mind, you can also upload an image to guide the AI's style before clicking generate to bring your scene to life. If you're making a longer video for something like an affiliate product, which a lot of you asked about, you can just keep adding scenes to the timeline. It's unlimited. These clips are typically 8 seconds long, which is the perfect length for social media or B-rolls in a larger project. Now here is where the magic happens. Once you have generated all your individual clips, you don't need to take them to another expensive editing software. You can place all your generated videos directly on the Google Vids timeline. It's a full-blown editor right in your browser, and the sidebar is packed with professional tools. You can add AI avatars to act as your presenter, generate a voiceover, or pick cinematic music to set the mood, search the stock library for extra footage, or add shapes and text. You can even hit captions to automatically transcribe your dialogue. When you're happy with the final edit and everything looks cinematic, it's time to take it offline. Just go to the top menu, click on File, then Download, and select Video. Google Vids will process your entire timeline and give you a high-quality file ready to upload. By the time you're done, you've got a professional high-end production without spending any money. Unlimited credits, cinematic quality, and AI-generated scripts, all for $0. If you ran into those network errors in the past, this Google native method is much more stable. If this helped you, drop a thank you in the comments so I know to make more AI tutorials. Subscribe to Tweak Library to stay ahead of the curve. See you in the next one.